Hello my friends, my name is Alexander Stepanov. The Halloween is coming soon. Are your nails ready for this? I'm sure that this video will teach you how to create fantastic nail design for Halloween celebration. Today I also gonna show you some new tricks. You will be amazed with the result because this is because I do nail designs not for competitions, just for real life, day-to-day life. I do nails for real women. I decided to place my favorite intro into the beginning of this video because there I look like the gangster. Well, you used to see me in the nail studio. Something like, "Hey, Mr. Stepanov, can you refresh the set of my nails?" These moments I'm really proud of myself. Do you wonder why? All of you remember Hollywood movies with the Russian mafia. Actors looked really cruel. It was very scary. And now imagine that Mr. Stepanov is driving the car and he's going to the meeting of bandits. He's getting out the car and is coming to the crowd of gangsters. And suddenly he says, "Hey you, come over here. Damn, what's happening with your nails? Hey, come over here, guys. Who will be the first for the nail extension?"
And he keeps the nail file instead of the gun.
It's just a little bit humor. But I'm coming back to the process where you see me pushing or rolling down cuticles. Push me and then just hurt me. You wanna get my... A lot of people are scolding me about this process, but this is really necessary for preparing the nail plate, because in the other case the breaking of your nail or injury would happen. I'm using the pusher, the flame drill bit and the nail file for lifting up particles. Just like that. Up and down, up and down. You should learn it, but it's better to take the high grit file. Sorry. Don't forget to use face mask for protecting yourself from the dust. You know guys, I remember when coughing of my neighbors were destroying my life. Oh, you know that I never say bad things about people. But in this case I can't say any good words because my neighbors were alcoholics. They really drank too much. They look like we can't find any differences between man and woman. They looked similar, but I find a way how to differ them. And when I was staying home and hear when they were coughing behind the wall of my flat, and when it was sounding like that was the woman, because the man always added dirty word, something like bitch. And it was really hard to sleep in the night, especially after watching this scary movie. I was afraid to sleep and hearing their voices. If we come back to the process, we can see that we tried different types of tools, the nippers and the scissors. And my assistant Erin showed you that she was playing with scissors like the cruelest nail technician in the world. Is it right? Cruelest. And now I'm proceeding with non-acid primer. By the way, all tools and products you see in this video you can order on my store right now. The shipping is free. And you really need these products because you want to do nails quickly, strongly. Do you remember the song Higher, Faster, Stronger? And the main thing of this video is presenting the caramel sculpting mix gel. And right now I'm gonna show you how to do nails without shaping them, not nail by nail, without rotating or twisting hands, curing hands. We just apply the gel on 4 fingers, like you can see on the video. I'm taking the ball on my 4, and as you can see, I'm playing with the balls, just changing hands, trying to leave the large amount of products on the vertical line of the nail plate. You should do it very neatly. For me, it's something like touching my lovely woman. Don't push it hard, don't make too much pressure, just touch side walls. And the main amount of gel will stay on in the middle stress zone. And you will don't have to shape them at all, believe me. So it's about only 1 minute to apply only 4 nails. And that's great, because you will save your time using this fantastic gel. The color is really adorable, so just try it. Sometimes I feel myself like the customer in the shop. And you know, guys, I never thought that I would ever become a seller. And it also proves the life law that we don't never know what can happen with us. For example, me, guys, you'll never believe that. Yesterday, I found myself on the Google map. You know, those views of streets when faces of people or advertisement faded with pixels. I'm really serious. Take a look at the photo. Funny Alex walking down the street, funny Alex. Of course, that moment I didn't know that I got in the camera. I just wanted to find my house, and suddenly I saw myself. That photo made 5 years ago, and there was exactly the same house and that flat where I lived near people who liked clothing. I wanted to ask you guys, what do you think about serious topic? Is there the deadline for nail technician? I mean, how many years the nail tech can work with these products? I mean, with dust, without problems with health. So please tell me about your experience. Is it easy for you to work after, for example, 10 years of day-to-day practice? Just take a look on thumbnails. I applied them synchronously, so I had some time to let them be aligned by itself. It seems like I told something stupid. Please correct me if I had made a mistake. But let's come back to the question. What's better, to work with the large experience or to be the beginner? One of my nail tech friends used to say that it's the best when there are only young nail technicians in the nail studio. They're always not in the stress at all. Imagine the situation: you visit the nail studio where you visit at the first time the 40 or 50 years old nail tech, for example, like me, and I look nervous, tired. But when we visit the young nail technician, he says, hey guys, take it easy. He relaxed, he really relaxed, and he says, hey, just take a look, the beautiful design. I want to suggest you, and here and this, that's great. He works like dancing. But I can't be the same anymore. Please tell me why these things are happening with us, and why do we have to change our profession? And I want to open the secret. Now I'm working only with my friends or with people I know personally, because I had the one incident when strange woman came to my nail studio. They showed me the nail with my nail design, and she said that her husband was cheating her and she found that nail in his car. Do you remember, guys, that story? It sounds awful, but just imagine you find the piece of nail in your husband's car. Why do you go to the nail technician? You even don't know him. Why can't you ask your husband about this nail? What is it doing here in your car? And when she came to me, I was really in shock. I didn't know what to say. And I think the young nail technician, if he was in my shoes, he definitely could say, "Hey darling, take it easy, easy. I can apply the same nail design for you on your nails. And your husband will love you the same way, like he loves that strange woman." That's funny. You know, guys, I owe myself to make some humor this day, because, guys, we never had this celebration in Russia. We even don't have no one day which can be something like the Halloween, and I can be a little bit crazy, not like in my other videos. And if you like that, please tell me about it, and I will give you more jokes and Russian humor. As you can see now, guys, I have covered all nails with the Giorgio Cappuccini gel paint using only one layer. We cure this layer in LED lamp in 30 seconds. And after, I covered nails with non-sticky top coat. Attention, guys, I don't have this product in my store. And one more important thing, we should puff the surface, especially when it's hot, after using the LED lamp. This way effect will be much better and more intensive. And after that, we will create the special effect using the matte top coat from my nail store. Apply a thin layer, cure 30 seconds in the LED lamp, and don't close the jar of the Giorgio Cappuccino gel paint, because we will use it for drawing thin geometric lines after curing the top coat in the UV lamp. Also, don't forget to file nails from each side to remove the floated gel. And now you see me working with the gel paint of the Giorgio Cappuccini very neatly, correctly, using the striper number 0 or 00. You know, after covering voices on my videos, I feel like soon I will make rap songs. My name's Stepanov, you see me here, don't sit in the place and click like. I draw one-stroke flowers, do cruel shapes of nails. Don't forget to subscribe and watch another great things. What do you think about my rap song? As you can see, it's not easy to draw thin lines using the gel paint. You have to be concentrate. And it's better to take the thinnest brush you have in your case. And at the end, on thumbnails, I'm gonna show you something special, something which will be your visit card, which will help you to amaze your clients before the honeymoon. Halloween, yes. You know, I decided to create something very original, which will not be screaming like, you know, a lot of nail technicians trying to make something screaming incredible. I think that I'm not the young for these things, and I have to make something vintage to show something which will be suitable not only for young women, it will be suitable for every woman. I think the moon and the sign of the black cat, which is adorable for every girl, every woman, will be the perfect symbol, the perfect sign of this holiday all over the world. And I'm sure I created the fastest technique of drawing cat. It seems like something wrong today with my language. And one more thing, guys, I just want to pay attention that now I'm using not gel polish nor gel paint. This is the acrylic paint mixed with water. only using this acrylic paint you can achieve such thin lines. You can be sure you will never draw such cat using the gel paint. What do you think about zodiac signs or any signs? Tomorrow the new client called me and asked what was my zodiac sign. And I answered, really? Do you search the nail technician following the zodiac signs? I imagine the situation when nail tech is drawing something and he's really nervous and the client says, hey, you're Libra, you should be always calm. Let's come back to the video. Now I'm using the top coat, which you can find in my store, and it's time to take a look on the result. Hey, we have two amazing cats, two amazing signs which can say a lot of information about this amazing lady. Tell me down in the comments, what do you think about this nail design? Is it usual or not? Is it normal for your country? Is it normal for your culture? And what do you think about these lovely cats? Of course, I want you to say something about my new formats of videos. Guys, I really appreciate your comments, your tips, advice, feedbacks, everything. One day I will come to you, I will be your guest, and I will be the coffin behind the wall. See you in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.